if you are like bony, this one could hide that because the bottom is like shag. Two. Ta-da! Look at the very beautiful. Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Sexy? Tiny? See-through again? Makita pang kaluluwa mo nito, guys. Parang siyang spider, no? Look. And then this may pa, siya, emblem like a pearl pa. No? Sexy lingerie. Ooh, lala. Shibe. Definitely, I would recommend it. String, again. And then this one here, like thong. Only if you have problems with down there, you might have a little trouble. You can see like the imperfections of this. But I don't mind. It's very affordable, less than $1 lang to, guys, no? If you can imagine, less than $1, tapos you can get like a design like this. It's a budget friendly. The next one is the same thing, right? Because I just like it, right? This time it's ang panty kong pula. Actually, it's not really pula, no? It's maroon. I like it so far. See? Hindot siya, guys. Palit na mo ani, guys. Light kaayo siya. Di dyan mo magmahay ani. It's really good, comfortable, and see again the design of this, like the lace. It's very sexy if you're gonna wear it. And if you have issues with your body type, this one is very like forgiving for any type of body shape. Like if you are like bony, this one could hide that because the bottom is like shag. It right fits in to your like here behind, and the front really you still have that like an allowance over there, no? Hindi lang matabunan ng iyong laki, no? But you still have more room up, so if you are pusunon, it's not too obvious with this one. I do recommend this. Alright, guys, so bulitas po mo. Take a look. Oh. Tick-tock, tick-tock, where are you? O, diba? Again, another, for you guys, necklace. Headband na lang yung pantinaw. Lacy type again. You got a pearl, 3 big pearls here. This kind of panty, it's more on, if you are having fun with your spouse, it's a different kind of leisure. Okay, so leisure, those stuff. Okay, all right. So perlas ng silanganan. Yes. So lazy, pearl, of course, just a string right there. Okay. Bam. Pulang-pula ang panty kong pula. So this is a lace, okay? It's a sexy lace panty, very light material, and the details of this is this. All right, and I don't know really how to like describe this. I'm not an expert with this kind of stuff, but it has like a rubber here that is adjustable. And this kind of shape, actually I try to fit this. It fits, and it's low rise. Ang iyong laki ang matabunan nani. Oh, but it's very sexy, guys. With this kind of style, is this a thong style? I'm not sure how you call this. I'm not an expert with this kind of stuff. My body shape, it's not really like suit well with my shape because I'm like bony. If you are like meaty on that aspect, you're going to like be so sexy wearing this. But for my like body type, because I'm too bony and my hip bones doesn't really have that much meat, this doesn't really like bam shebang on me, but still the material is really nice. Look at that. You know, there's like a flowery here on the side, so just to see the look of it. See, it's very sexy, comfortable, light, and it's not itchy type of material, adjustable on the rubber side here.